Okay, so now you have clicked these links, which means you are interested in IT industry. So there could be two things. The first thing is you already know what are these IT certification, and the second thing is you don't know what is IT certification, but you are interested in IT field. Okay, so first of all, let me tell you what is this course. If you already know what is IT certification, so if you know IT certification and you are confused which one to choose, this course is best for you. In this course, I'm going to tell you basics of the 5 IT certification. The first is Windows MCSA, the second is Linux RHCSA, the third is servers MCSA and Linux server also, and the fourth is networking basics CCNA, and the fifth one is cloud computing, in which I will cover AWS and Google Cloud. So if you already know what is IT certification and you want to know the basics of certification, so you will know how this certification works, what you will learn in certification, and you can choose after this course you can choose your choice of certification, in which the certification you like the most, you can carry on study in that particular certificate. And if you don't know what is IT certification, IT certification is a certification which is a course provided by vendors. Okay, vendor like Cisco is a vendor which manufacture networking equipment. Okay, so in Cisco's courses you will learn how to manage networking equipment. So they will teach about network, how network works, how to manage network on their devices, how to secure network. There are different kinds of things you will learn in their certification. So Cisco or other vendors also have different levels of certification. So Cisco have 3 levels of certification: entry level CCNA, professional level CCNP, and expert level CCI. There are different types of specialization also. You have enterprise, you have security, you have data center, you have different types of specialization in which you can grow your career. Okay, so IT certification are the courses which provided by different vendors, in which they will teach how technology works, how to work on their particular product and particular technology. Cisco also have different expertise like enterprise, security, data center, collaboration, service provider, and DevOps. There are many. So in my course, the certification which I have covered at the very basic level, and most of the course content is practical. You can download the course content from the link. So in Microsoft, I'm going to cover MCSA client, Windows 10 or 7 maybe, and in Linux I will cover the basics of RHCSA, and Microsoft MCSA server, and networking CCNA basics, and in cloud computing AWS and Google Cloud. So that's all for this video. This is what I'm going to cover and provide you knowledge about the IT certification, and you can gain that knowledge and start your first step in IT industry. And if you like any of this field, you can continue with your study and make your career in IT. Okay, so that's all for this video. Thank you.